Greetings and hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hands On with BLG. That's the mama on the phone and that's the dingo in the window. Today we're going to take leftover pork, which could be chicken, turkey, ham, in this case pork chops. I'm cooking them. They're going to be called leftovers. And we're going to take these and turn them into a sandwich spread, like a pork salad sandwich, a chicken salad sandwich, whatever leftover meat you got. We're going to turn it into sandwich spread. So right now, we got Mr. Showtime and the little pork chops in a little cage going roundy round, getting all cooked up. That's about it. Pretend yours is already cooked and finished, or you can cook it, and if you just feel like making a sandwich spread out of it, just cook it up and do it like I'm doing. That's step one. Seasoned up, cooked. Then I'm going to let them cool off a little bit, and I'll see you in the next phase. See you in a few. I'm in the dark, ain't I? Turn on the lights. Something that's behind me right over there, if you wouldn't mind. Over there. Suppose. Hey folks, we're back, Lefty here. What I've done, while everything was cooling off and getting clean to put away, I got some of my homemade pickles. You can find that video too. Homemade dill pickles. They don't go through the grinder very well, so I chopped them up right here, real nice and fine. That one's too big. I'll have to get rid of it. Sliced up a half a big onion, rye chop, so it'll go through my grinder. And I've taken our leftover. Lefty says leftover. He's taken some of the meat, whether it be pork, chicken, beef, you name it, turkey, name it. And I cut it up into chunks that'll fit through. That's right, the grinder. Now the easy part. Let's finish this bitch. Watch this here. Got said grinder rye cha, with a little bowl catch underneath of it, rye cha. You see? Now, so we're going to hit this, the little bowl under here. Take this out. I'm going to start by sending some of this meat through here. It's going to get loud. Stick with me, folks. That's going through there. I'm going to put that's going everywhere. Put a piece of the onion. Like that. 2 pieces, actually. Why not? Get them going. Some of the pickle. Going to go through with the meat. The meat's going to help push this shit through, see? And that's pushing that through there. The rest of the pickle. I'm taking one more piece of onion. Don't want to get too much onion in it. I'm going to send the rest of the meat through. Let that chew for a little bit. See, it still kind of trails out. That's going to be about all for that. Take this apart, break it down, BLG. Put it over there. We'll get this off of here real quick. Take this part off. We clean out what little bits we got in here. Which won't be too much, really. There's a little wad in here. You pop the blades and stuff out, and you can kind of get this little bit of chunks out of here like that, see? There we go. Then these go in the sink. That's pretty easy. Now for the fun part. Now to make it sandwich spread. In this case, pork chop salad. We'll get us a spoon, like this. We'll aim this down here so you can get a better look. We'll take some mayonnaise. Smack some mayo in here. Don't want to overdo it at first. You just want to get enough to where you kind of go, that might mix. You can always add more. Can't really take it out. And puts a little bit of mustard, like this. We're going to mix this in and see how it mixes. See how our consistency goes. And remember, this meat's already pre-seasoned, but you can put more pepper, salt, whatever you want. But this is already pre-seasoned from when I cooked it. Or when you cooked it, I should say. We'll just leave that term at meat. We don't know what you've got left over in your fridge. Could be after Thanksgiving or something, you know. Could be turkey, chicken, beef, pork, ham. It works for everything. Makes a nice little salad. See how that's all mixed up real nice? Look at that. Yeah, that's the stuff. Maybe a touch more mustard. A little touch more mustard for it. There you have it, folks. You now have, in this case, pork salad. Sandwich spread. Hooray, BLG. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sandwich spread from leftover meat. It's quick, it's easy, and you probably got some in your refrigerator right now. Just make it. Oh, and if you have dill pickle spears instead of these little slices, you can run the spears. They'll go right through that meat grinder. Otherwise, you can still make it. Just chop it up really fine with a knife. So, for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, short little episode, to you and thee and thou, for BLG, I am BLG, I am Lefty, and I am Righty. We'll catch you guys in the next episode, you see. There's going to be one coming up sometime or another. You know it. Just wait for it. Watch them. Like and subscribe if you'd like. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. 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 Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.